Alright.
Suck on it. A roasted carrot. A little nervous.
Let's see if Mom's got to give the over-the-knee Heimlich maneuver.
We're not trying to do the Heimlich. We're just testing some stuff out here. Yeah, you're getting that nice and soft. Is it pretty soft? Oh no, not soft. Uh-oh. You dropped it.
Carrot panic.
Retrieving slimy carrot. Grab it.